Good morning. Welcome back to Gardening at Home with Liz. I'm back today at the Arroyo High School Farm Lab, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about the tree behind me here. It's called a Moringa tree, also known as a tree of life. It's from South Asia, and it's one of the few plants on earth other than soy that offers high levels of protein and a full spectrum of B vitamins. It's also been known to help regulate blood sugar. It's planted in areas that are considered food deserts or have high areas of food insecurity because you can eat all parts of this plant, and like I said before, it has the full spectrum of vitamins that you don't typically find in plants. So I'm going to show you here the tree behind me. These trees can get quite large, 20 to 30 feet tall. You can eat the leaves by picking them off and putting them in a salad, or oftentimes people dry them out and mix them in with a smoothie. The seed pods also are edible. You can eat them fresh, or what most people do is actually dry them out and eat the seeds inside to help regulate your blood sugar. So here's the tree. It's quite gorgeous. We're planning to plant more of them throughout the garden. So if you have more questions about moringa and cultivating moringa, you can contact us at info@ecoUrbanGardens.org. All right, thank you guys. Have a great rest of your week.